A rare winter storm is wreaking havoc across the U.S. Deep South, bringing snow, freezing rain, and Arctic temperatures to Texas, Louisiana, and surrounding states. At least 9 deaths have been reported due to the cold, including 4 from cold exposure, 2 in Texas, and 2 in Georgia and Milwaukee. The storm has caused widespread disruptions, including highway closures, flight cancellations, and power outages. More than 2,000 flights were cancelled on Tuesday, with 3,000 more delayed, according to FlightAware flight tracker. Airports in Houston and Tallahassee have been shut down, and Port Houston closed its facilities as the storm continues. The National Weather Service has issued warnings for sharp temperature drops, especially overnight, which could worsen power outages and further disrupt travel. States such as Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and Florida are experiencing up to 25 centimeters of snow, with record snowfall reported in Louisiana, Alabama, and Florida.